material size that I'm going to be using for this applique is 10.5 by 7.5. I'm telling you this because the next video next week is going to be how to make a glasses case. So if you want to follow along, then I would advise you to do the same dimensions so you can create the project next week. I have 2 of these sections, but I'm going to put this one aside for next week. I am using a canvas fabric. First of all, I am going to fold one of the sections up 4 inches, and I am going to create a crease line, and I'm going to fold this other section down and create another crease line. On the back of this project is going to be my applique. Now you can create your own applique by drawing some glasses, or you can go onto your Cricut and cut something off your Cricut. Now what I'm going to do first is open this back up, and I've created some crease lines. Now I am going to, perhaps don't need that, I am going to use, oh apologies there, my friction pen. These press away in heat, and I'm going to just create 4 marks here, and that is my space, like my frame space. Now what I'm going to do is I want to find a center, so when I am doing my applique I know exactly where to place it. So I'm just going to press this down in the middle, and that will create 1 crosshatch, and then fold it again and create a second one. So then I can place a little dot right in the center, so I know where my center is for my glasses. Okay, so I've gone onto my Cricut, I typed in the word glasses, I've asked for a single layer, and I've just asked for it to just be Cricut images. Now I'm going to select some glasses here. I'm going to select these ones and then add them to my canvas. Now I'm not going to go too big with this. I am just going to say 4 inches in width, and the aspect ratio is on, so that is probably how big I would go. So I'm going to get everything ready on my mat. Whenever I'm doing something on my Cricut, I like to go a little bit bigger. So I am going to go 5 inches by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. I'm going to cut. And then I'm going to do 3. I have a bit of heat and bond light, so I'm going to place that onto the back of my fabric. Now you're going to press this heat and bond to the back of the fabric. I'm going to use the bonded fabric blade, which is the pink one. Okay, so this is important. The bonded side has to be face down on the mat, so you are looking at the fabric. I recommend that you place some masking tape just to secure. And then run through your Cricut machine. You're going to have to take the heat and bond off, so you would just use a pin and just score the heat and bond off, and that will reveal the glue that we're going to adhere to the canvas. The center is going to be right where that nose part is. Take it over to your iron and press on whatever it says on the back of the instructions for the heat and bond. What I'm going to do with this one, because it's so small, is I'm just going to do a running stitch all the way around my glasses, just appliquing them to the case. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this into a glasses case. So I will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I have over 500 sewing and quilting videos on my channel. Bye bye.